My name is Yogini Dethe. I am basically from Chandrapur. I have completed my graduation in B.Sc Computer Science in 2024. After my graduation, I got to know about Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve, it is an IT recruitment company and IT consultancy company. After joining the IT internship program, I had learned about networking, CCNA, virtualization, Windows Server, Windows Administrator, ITIL and ITIL, which enhance my technical skills as well as professional skill. I happily inform to you I have successfully got placed in ITCONS eSolution Pvt Ltd with the good package of 2.5 LPA. I am sincerely thankful Evision team for right guidance, knowledge and technical skills. Thank you Evision for great training and placement support. Thank you Evision.